Tired of using all your mobile data while gaming on the go? I'm gonna show you how to connect to Marriott Wi-Fi on your PS5. First, navigate to the settings icon on the PS5 home screen. It's the one that looks like a gear. Scroll down the settings menu until you see network and select it. Press X to enter the network settings. Now choose the option that says set up internet connection. This is where we'll find the Marriott Wi-Fi network. Your PS5 will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Find the Marriott Wi-Fi network from the list and select it. It may be called something like Marriott_guest or similar. Since Marriott Wi-Fi usually requires a login, a web browser will automatically open. This is where you'll enter your room number and last name, or whatever credentials are required by the hotel. Carefully enter the required information using the on-screen keyboard. Then, click the button to accept the terms and conditions, if prompted, and connect to the internet. Once you've successfully logged in through the browser, you should see a confirmation message. Now you are all connected and ready to game.